What do you use a street talker for? Well, this one just came back from Michigan at Pioneer Construction, and that was the message that's on side 2. It says, thank you, drive safely. And we're talking to a group of truckers that cannot be communicated with as they approach the building, and they wanted to put a brand new driveway. So they rented this one and this one, and this is the message. It says change, basically. And I asked him, and he says they were very happy. Ledsignz, we are located in Cleveland, Ohio, 1-800-955-0505. And this sign is designed to be outdoors for a month at a time. It has no computer, no generator, so nothing to fail. It's all solid state as far as the parts that make it work. 800-955-0505. Let me see if we've got a local phone number right there. And we're called Ledsignz. Signs ends with a Z. Please call 1-800-955-0505. I'll get you a quote right away.